What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing with you guys 3 of the best videos on YouTube. I really enjoy watching travel videos and inspirational videos on YouTube, and it's really part of the reason why I started my channel and wanted to share my experiences traveling. I'm going to share with you guys 3 videos that I really love and that inspired me. The stories are just great, but also these are places that I hope to visit one day. So here we go. The first video I'm going to be talking about is a video by Yes Theory called Traveling to the Least Visited Country in the World. And this country is called Davula. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right.
Well, everybody that seems to find out that I'm here for visiting seems pretty confused. Like, even the people working here. Immigration lady, she asked me, "So, why are you here, sir?" And I said, "Oh, for fun." She looked at me and she goes, "For fun?"
It is a country that has a population of 11,000 people, and in this video, one of the members of Yes Theory, Thomas, travels to this country and explores it and realizes that this is a country that does not really see tourism a lot. It's a country that is surrounded by water and then also has a lagoon in the middle, so it's just a circle and there's a strip of land that's going around in a circle. And he goes and travels around and meets the local people, learns about customs, and my favorite part of this video, what really stood out to me, is the communal aspect of these people.
I had never experienced such a deep sense of community radiate from an entire country. From the moment I landed in Tuvalu to the moment I stepped back onto that plane, people were nothing but smiling, welcoming, and kind.
And that's something that I love about traveling, is that so many other people and other societies really focus on community, and I absolutely love that. I've been to places around the world that have really accepted me to their country, and they've been so hospitable, and that really touched me. I highly recommend that you watch this video for yourself. I'll have the link in the description for all these videos, but it really just stood out to me, and it brought me back to my times traveling in places like Guatemala, Mexico, Honduras, Romania, where these people and the communities were focused on helping one another out. And that's so refreshing, especially with everything that happened in 2020. It's really such a good reminder that we all need help and that community is really important. So I love that about this video. The next video I absolutely love is a video by the Bucket List family. Now, their videos are amazing, obviously. If you don't know who the Bucket List family is, it is a family. The dad of this family created an app. He sold that app. They sold everything, took their family on the road, traveling all around the world. And in this particular video, it is a video about them joining the circus. So they went to a hotel actually in the Dominican Republic where you can train in trapeze and other different circus skills, and then you can perform at the end of it, which I think is awesome. And I've always said that I wanted to be in the circus. I think just because I love traveling and performing is really fun. But I saw this video and thought, this is the place for me, and I am dying to visit. Hopefully when COVID is done, I can plan a trip to the Dominican Republic for this very reason, to train to be in the circus. So it's really cool, the video. They do a show at the end, and it's just a cool process to watch. The third and final video that I think you should watch is a video called How I Visited Europe During a Travel Ban. Now, this is a video by Andrew Levitt, and he and his friends were planning a trip to go to Europe, but obviously with COVID, everything is shut down, and him and his friends were not able to take his backpacking trip to Europe. So instead, he found cities in Texas that are replicas of cities in Europe, and he decided to backpack Europe in Texas.
With Europe's borders shut, we thought our trip was over. But then I realized the state of Texas is full of European city doppelgangers. They have their own London, Dublin, Athens, Paris. The list goes on and on.
I think a lot of us, it's been very hard to be stuck at home and not be able to travel, especially for people who enjoy traveling as self-care or as a hobby. But I think this was a really unique way to kind of switch that around and make a cool video about it. It was super inspiring, very funny, and I really want to go visit those cities now. They did a great job on this video and made me want to go check it out. So those are the videos that I think are the best on YouTube right now. And there's a bunch of other videos that I love too, and maybe if you guys like this video and want more suggestions of things to watch while we're all trying to figure out what to do with our lives, I'll make another video on some videos that you might like. But right now, those are the 3 that I have been inspired by, that have given me hope for my future travels of places that I can go and see. So I hope you guys have a wonderful rest of your day, your week, your life. And I'm gonna hopefully be posting more. That's the plan. I'm trying to figure out this whole video thing. Make sure to watch my Everglade video, part 1 and 2, wherever that's gonna be, so you can see if I survived a 70-mile kayak trip with crocodiles in the Everglades. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like and hit that notification bell if you want to hear more from Moa. Leave a comment. Let me know if there's any suggestions of videos that you want to see, stories, footage, challenges, whatever. Just let me know. All right. I will see you in the next video. Bye.